Understanding the phrase, inexpensive gift. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, inexpensive gift. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding it can help you in both spoken and written conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting phrase. Inexpensive gift combines two words, inexpensive and gift. Let's look at each word separately. Inexpensive means not costing a lot of money. It's a polite and positive way to describe something that is low in price. Gift refers to something given voluntarily to another person without expecting anything in return. It's often associated with special occasions, like birthdays or holidays. When combined, inexpensive gift describes a present that does not cost a lot of money but is still given with the intention of making someone happy. Understanding when and how to use the phrase, inexpensive gift, is crucial. In social situations, when discussing budget-friendly gift options, in written communication, such as in emails or messages where you might suggest giving an inexpensive gift. Remember, using inexpensive instead of cheap can sound more polite and considerate. Let's see how the phrase is used in real-life examples. 1. For our office Secret Santa, I bought an inexpensive gift that everyone loved. 2. I prefer giving handmade, inexpensive gifts to show my affection. 3. While traveling, I bought several inexpensive gifts for my friends back home. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts while maintaining its core meaning. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, inexpensive gift. Remember, it's a wonderful way to describe a thoughtful yet budget-friendly present. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!